This is another elevator at the Lucky Street Garage at Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa, Florida. I tell you, don't ever assume that two banks of elevators in the same garage have the same elevators. The main set on that end of the garage has Otis Series 1, and there's 4 elevators on that set, and right here we have a singular Otis Series 5. I'll cut the one we get. It should be right here. Series 5 vandal resistant. Call button. Dual lanterns. And actually it's a Series 5 lanterns, but Series 2 indicator. Let's go back up to 5. We're doing it the opposite way. Cab view going up and indicator going down. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star by the Beatles. Each one of these elevators has some sort of quote in it. Goes. And that'll be it.